What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. We're gonna do another little shop vlog today. So we got a lot to do. We're looking to go to Hickory Motor Speedway in 2 weeks, but we've had some engine troubles at Caraway. We're gonna try to diagnose those things and not go over to Anderson Motor Speedway this weekend and test, see if we got everything fixed. So y'all like the shop videos? If you do, let us know. We'll keep doing them. Fred told me he's gonna try to do him a little wrap job, so I just got home from Anderson. So hour and 15-minute drive home from Meredith Battery. If you need a volt battery for your car or your race car, shoot me a message on Facebook. Come see us in Anderson, but see what Fred's getting into. Amateur sticker licker you are. Look at you go, Fred. Like a sticker licker after all. Amateur, professional, semi-pro, master at work. That joker looks smooth there, Fred. Oh, step back, let the people see. Smooth enough for a number to go on. Maybe I won't damage this one, beat this one up. You don't look too positive in that.
Be the first thing they hear.
You can hit them back. Fred finishes up his wrap job. I'm gonna run over to my neighbors down the street, Taylor Satterfield. He's a late model stock racer too. He's going back pro late model racing this year, straight rail stuff a little bit to do the straight rail stuff and the perimeter stuff. So he bought a volt battery, so we're gonna run that thing over to his barn dominium or his looks like a cup shop. Y'all see it here in a second. Real proud of the boy. Right, lay your pinstripe in Esteban, Fred. Dollar short, day late. Story of my life. I don't matter, ain't nobody gonna know, but people watching this. I think I ever seen you so focused on something.
I can't be. That's something that you wouldn't even be able to tell there was another door put on it if I hadn't got them wrinkles.
Oh, that's all right. That's just a little bit of that amateur stuff coming out. A little old rookie stripe. Hey, Stephen gonna put a number over it anyway. You ain't gonna be able to tell. That's the first time I slide up into somebody or they come down on us, it ain't gonna matter no way.
Oh, you know, there'll be somebody coming down, wiggle wobble, and like they Dell Earnhardt Jr. He hit the Motor Speedway, you know.
Well, before Tyler gets here with a new distributor and new plug wires, I'm gonna run over to Satterfield's house. You gonna ride with me?
Yeah.
Go over there and enjoy a cold beer or two?
Nah. Drink beer.
You don't drink beer?
Drink your horse piss shit.
Grab this new AGM battery out of the company truck. Go hop in Big White. Thing ain't been drove in a minute, so you need to give it a whirl down the road. Hop in, Fred. Take this old lightweight, heavy thing.
He drives $100,000 truck home and wants to go in an old one. And I could have rode in that new one.
Hey, we ain't gonna hate on my stuff.
I ain't hating on it.
Thing needs to be drove. You need to start driving this thing back and forth for work. That way it gets drove.
I guess.
Make the quick little 3-minute trip up the street here to the Maverick Steel Buildings Racing headquarters. As y'all can see off in the distance, there's some lights over there. That is what used to be Gresham Motorsports Park, Peach State Speedway, Jeffco Speedway. You'll see as we roll up, it's a junkyard now, it's Copart, from what I was told, but they leave the lights on 24/7. We reckon the power bill is over there, Fred?
Probably $6,000-7,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? It burns some electricity.
Joker's burning all the time, 24/7.
Why they hung?
There we go, roll in the Satterfield's race shop, deliver this battery, shoot the bull for a little bit, get back over there, get that distributor, plug wire. Hopefully we'll be ready to go to Anderson this weekend to test. That looks familiar, Free.
Yeah.
Old fire truck from Gresham. Well, I made many laps in that joker. Got the battery.
Yeah.
Got the battery.
What's the price on $1,200?
No, we got good racer pricing. Got his hauler parked on the side of the building out here. Last I talked to him, he'll be down here in a second. He's gonna run for points at Tri-County Motor Speedway this year, late model stock points. Tyler finally made it. We'll see if this battery fit in his pro car. Open up that garage door, show y'all his shop dominium. The late model stock got his pro stuff over here. Fred walking around with his hands in his pocket. My guy, my neighbor Satterfield, going pro late model racing again.
Yeah, we're gonna give it a shot anyway.
Man, you've been late model stock racing for a long time here. Now you're going back to your roots.
Yeah, you know, we late model stock race simply because we wanted to race closer to home, you know, and with Greenville and Anderson changing the rules and Greenville shutting down, we really don't have anywhere local to go anymore. So you got to travel regardless. And good friend Josh McCoy, this is one of his older cars that he had, and he's being nice enough to let us go, and we're going to run some races at Pensacola, maybe try for the Flake later in the year, and we're excited, man.
Absolutely. You still planning on going Tri-County? I know you were talking about.
Yeah, we're going to go to Tri-County. I love Phil Combs. I love the Higgins family. It's a great deal up there. I love the racetrack, and I think it'll be a lot of fun. It's still close enough where my family can come and watch the races, and we're going to run the 10 scheduled races they have there. Maybe try to go for the championship.
Absolutely. Well, tell everybody about Maverick Steel Building, man. You've done well for yourself. Everybody's looking at this shop dominium that everybody's going to be drooling over. I know I sure do every time I come here.
Yeah, well, this ain't just me. The old man had helped do it as well, and you know, this is a dream come true for us. We're still not done. We got a lot to do, and but what we do is what you see right here.
I mean, this is Maverick Steel Building. You see it on my race car. This is the man right here. I remember when you had dirt floors for a shop.
Yeah. So you know, the liner system that's in here. This is an insulated metal panel that we had, and then we painted and we put vinyl stripes on it. Like the insulation you see there, that's an R38. That's a Simple Saver roof insulation. We went the extra little bit on it, and you know, it's turned out really nice. Real thankful for it.
Guy Satterfield knew what to go with. He's replacing the Optima with the Volt. So if you're looking to get you an AGM battery this season for your late model, or you want to get a battery filled acid for your street stock, your mini stock, just let me know. We're gonna be burning the roads up here soon. I can bring them to the racetrack, or you can come to Anderson, South Carolina, and get them. We install too.
Oh, shit, you're younger than I am. I stood on my head and put his seat in.
Even bought some new late model stock batteries. They're a lot smaller battery than the pro late model stuff for Taylor's 2 late model stock cars. Well, I had a good time over here with Satterfield. We headed back to the shop. Tyler should be there, or my shop. So head back over there and get the distributor in, plug wires on. Hopefully new plugs, get everything fixed up for us. We can go to Anderson on Sunday. So let's make the 5-minute trip back down the street. Made it back over here. Tyler made it down here. We're gonna change the plugs before we change the distributor. And hopefully that'll fix the problems that we had at Caraway. Traded in NGKs for auto lights this time. It's your favorite, ain't it?
A Ford spark plug in a Chevrolet. Go figure.
cab. Oh yeah. Had a little skip to it. Let it cool down. We was all happy with what we seen on the timing light. So I mentioned we got some new headers come in today. Had a header leak in the other one, so just ordered some more. Well, Fred, we got everything that we can get right. We'll go to Anderson on Sunday, do a little practice, see if everything's good for Hickory next weekend. What you think?
Cross our fingers and hope.
Hope for the best.
All we can do, I mean. Done everything else except put another motor in.
If we got to do that, put the little crate motor that could back in. We'll tackle that Sunday night.
Yeah, she's
Sitting over there waiting to go.
Waiting.
We made too many jokes about that little motor. That joker's.
I mean, 602s ain't nothing to brag about. I mean, you know,
Ain't
just like small block 350 is just a little on steroids. The way I look at it, you know, they just like a little soul machine. They just keep going and going and going.
No Energizer Bunny, if you will.
Yeah, and when you think it's done with, you just give it a little time to catch its breath, and then
She ready to go again. Cool the tires
just
off.
like it did at Dillon, you know.
Well, that's going to wrap it up. Hope you, thank you for watching this far. Like I said, we're going to Anderson Speedway in South Carolina. I know there's one in Indiana. I know some of the people up north kind of get confused sometimes. So, but no, we're going to the one in South Carolina. Got some, for the local people, for the upstate South Carolina, Georgia people, got some news coming out soon about a race at Anderson Speedway. So y'all know that's our home track. We been trying to get a race there for a while, so there'll be some news coming out the next week. Stay tuned to the social media channels for that. If you hadn't already liked the page, hey man, you want to quit burping? The Barbarito's getting to you over here. It's picking up. So y'all excuse Fred. But anyway, before I was rudely interrupted from his chicken bowl he had, going to Anderson this weekend. Hopefully, if everything goes good with Tyler's motor, we'll carry it at Hickory Speedway. If not, you know, already got a team ready for Sunday night. Told them I'd buy them steaks, and we'll drink cold beer, get the motor changed, transmission, everything ready to go for Hickory next weekend. March 4th, season opening night. Back up there with the Huffman guys. Hope to park beside them next weekend. Have a great time with them. It'll be on Flow Racing. So majority of the racing community's already got a Flow subscription, so you'll be able to watch it. I know my Wisconsin buddies, Wisconsin family will be up there watching while they bowl. So other than that, y'all know what to do. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and comment. You know, let us know if you think this motor's gonna make it or not. So other than that, thank you. Take care.